In 2019, more than 2,500 people chose the double-sided Dullo pillow for optimal sleep posture. In the pursuit of the best sleep possible, our team continued our research on sleep. We found something that's just as important as sleep posture. Your body needs to be at the right temperature for perfect sleep. Because if you're too hot, you won't sleep deeply. Introducing an interchangeable cooling pillow for that perfect sleep, Dullo Plus. The Dullo Plus includes a Dullo pillow, a cotton pillow insert, and a cooling pillow insert. Use the cooling pillow insert to stay cool while you sleep. Start by chilling 3 cooling packs in your freezer. Then, slide them into the watertight cooling pillow insert. Finally, place the cooling pillow insert into the Dullo Plus for a refreshing night's sleep. The cooling pillow insert cools the back of your neck. Using its hexa-layered design that maintains a constant temperature for up to 7 hours. Dullo Plus lets you choose the pillow insert that's best for your sleep. And the double-sided design helps you sleep soundly by adjusting the shape of your neck to an optimal position. Use the crown side when sleeping on your back to maintain your neck's natural C-curve. And use the arch side to keep your spine horizontal when you're sleeping on your side. You can also easily adjust the height of your pillow with the cotton pillow insert. The Dullo Plus is made from all-natural materials and uses 100% cotton. And the whole pillow is machine washable. Improve your sleep by maintaining optimal sleeping posture and staying cool through the night. Enhance your sleep, rest easy, and feel rested with an interchangeable cooling pillow, Dullo Plus.